In the next module, we'll be covering how to fully execute your first weekend project or prototype. But before diving into that, we'll be falling back on the principles we covered in this lesson, IPLUS. This framework for thinking about your project is likely not all that concrete. Truth be told, it can be quite difficult to apply these principles to your first weekend project to full effect. As a result, we created this activity to help you bridge that gap and learn how almost any idea can be converted with IPLUS into a productive 20% project. In the following section, you'll find a number of interests taken from our own students, and it'll be your job to 1, convert them into 20% project premises, while 2, using the principles of IPLUS. Some of these interests will be ones that you would have never thought of. Others may be ones that you resonate with. No matter what, you'll learn how IPLUS can be used for all of them and gain the skills to convert ideas, including your own, into amazing 20% projects. I've included an example of how to convert one of the ideas using IPLUS, but it'll be your job to convert the remaining ones. Also, friendly reminder that you can combine some of the interests together into a double-edged project. For example, photography and cooking. Afterwards, you can check with our own table to see how we converted it ourselves. Reminder, there's more than one way to tackle the 20% project, so take our answer guide as possibilities rather than answers. These interests are intentionally wacky to show that uniqueness is something that we are going for with 20%. After you've done this drill for made-up interests and ideas, apply it to your own interests and ideas. Take your top 3 ideas and consider how you can use LIPS to 1, make your project seem more impressive, and 2, get you even more excited to execute. A final brainstorming recommendation is to expand upon the specific memories and moments that got you interested in particular concepts. Really bring the project idea as close to the memory that you enjoyed so much. That's what Ava did with Cookies for Kids, remember? And that's what I did with my restaurant too. As always, the more specific, the better. And once you fill out this table, put it somewhere safe because, again, we'll be revisiting it in a future activity.